Okay, so first thing I gotta do is pre-tension this. So I'm gonna wind this out. It's one. I'm gonna do it about 6 times. 2. So the way I'm counting is there's the mount for the rope and there's the hole for the rope. Oops. So each time around, that's 3, 4, 5. There we go, that's 6. There. I'm gonna feed the rope in. There, now I'll just do a figure 8 knot. And we'll tuck that down in there. Good. Good, so now we can release the brake. And slowly let this suck some rope in. Perfect. So I'm going to pull a bit out, about here, and I'm going to tie a slip knot on it. I'm going to be able to cut it here. I think I'm going to cut it here. Then we torch the end. Check that out. Toronto Maple Leafs lighter. Just like the Leafs, it goes down in flames.
By identical scores, sending the Maple Leafs to their worst ever home loss in a Game 7.
There we go. That's done. Ready to be installed on the machine. Hey guys, if this is the type of content you like, give it a thumbs up, and also consider hitting the subscribe button below.